cut this big piece of tree down. Had to call in the crane. This is by far the biggest piece yet. The other one was pretty big, but this one was real big. Tell you what, that dude, he is good. He is crazy. Goes. The crane operator is pretty good too. He's doing the dance. He knows how to do it. Took the pressure off the blade and shit. That was real good. A big old chunk of tree right there. Showing. Put it right on the pile. And they gotta cut all that up. Man, it's good. And you got inches to spare, and he's alright. You still got it. They definitely kept it away from the house, so that was real good. That was the one I was worried about. And that big motherfucker over there gonna be next, most of it anyway, a good portion of it. I told him I don't care if they hit the little blue shed, it's not a big deal. The thing's built to hell. So I doubt they would break that. It'd probably be alright. Why you pay the money, people. These boys know what the hell they're doing. Look at that shit. Dropped it right in there. Now mind you, that gap between the end of this truck and that blue building ain't but about 12 feet. They just dropped that whole tree in 12 feet. That's pretty damn good. That's quality right there. Quality. Mr. Pete of E.T. Grensom Crane and Rigging here in Virginia. And we got Mr. Mike Green up there in the tree. A tree professional for sure. He's even got his little troops over there. They do a good job of pulling the stuff around. And, yep, pretty good. We'll come back and check on it again here later.